Hey my lovely Ohana, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Millie and we just rescued this beautiful dog. Look at him just enjoying his best life and not living in a freaking dumpster. He is so happy because we just came from the vet where he got his cone removed and his stitches taken out, so we got the clear to give him a bath from the neck down. He's still suffering from an ear infection, but we're hoping to get that cleared soon. Since he couldn't get fully groomed, we just opted for the self-wash, and oh my gosh, whoever invented this is just a genius. The setup is just amazing because I don't have to hunch back over and they have a whole bunch of supplies for me to use. Again, I've only had smaller dogs, so this is going to be a journey trying to give him a bath. I don't even know if he knows what a bath is. But here we go. Let's see how he does.